we are driving to the volcano, and you see the mushroom cloud that is coming from the volcano. So volcano is active, and we are going to check it, what is going on there. Here you see parking lot, one of the parking lots, number 2. And if lava makes to the ocean, it will make through this passage here. You see, precisely here is very shallow, and you can already see the lava there. You see it's going down the hill there. See, it's going down the hill, and if it makes to the ocean, it's here next to the parking lot. We'll flood the parking lot. We'll go here, right here. You see? But they will construct a new wall here. For sure, they will try to delay it. I already read it, so that's their plan to do so. You see, this is the passage where lava will make to the ocean if it does. Here, precisely here. It's the most shallow. So we are here. I don't see lava shooting above the mountains that it used to some days ago. Now jets are not so high. It's very nice weather today, and we are going to make trip number, it's 16 for me, number 16 for me. This is the trail, hiking trail. See, rescue teams, vehicles. This thing was not here. This is a new thing, this yellow barrier. Wow. Enormous amounts of cars, as you see there at the parking lot, the main parking lot. It's just hundreds of cars now. Hundreds of them. We will turn around. We just wanted to take a drive alone here, and now we will turn around.